So welcome back guys. Today our third section of Android app development. So today we will interact activity.kotlin with activity main.xml layout. I means that user interface with backend code. So let's continue without wasting time. So here we will do like that. We will create a variable and create the variable value like string hello world from code with smart. So if you would like to paste this variable value into the xml value, we will do furthermore. Oh, I did a mistake. I forgot to put the variable name. So our variable name will be greeting. Okay, so we will go on to the activity.main xml.xml. So here we see the different elements such as xml element which describe version, encoding utf format, and the linear layout. So continue discussing about linear layout. What is linear layout? It is actually a container in which it holds a lot of items and describe the which items, layout items, positioning, and so further on. So in this linear layout we have a text view. In this text view we can paste any text such as a line of when you visit the website, when you open the any app, you found the lines of text, and on any text which appear in that line in that position is from text view. Let's suppose in our example we have a text hello world. On the our application, after execution and open an installation process, we will get the value hello world in our application. But let do it a little bit change, and we will interact it with our kt main activity.kt. When you create a package in CodeAssist, it will automatically generate and make your activity main.xml file to main activity.create in this line. You can see here that we have a override function on create, such as this line set container view set r.layout.activity underscore main. It defines and get the elements of this xml layout into our kt file, which is interact directly our front end elements into backend. So we can easily access its variables and anything its element through a little bit code, such as if we would like to get the value of text view, we need to do a little bit things like that. We will have to put the android id. It suggested already, so we will get it. So let's suppose give it a id at the rate, there's a method at the rate plus id slash. Now we can make and give any name to it. Let's suppose I give it greeting. Okay, so here I can say it greeting. The my text to id is greeting. Now you can see if I execute the code, let's see, I'm showing you how to do this. It's compiling the code and it will generate sign apk.apk. It generate this. So package installation install like that, install anyway. It will ask the password because it is not verified from the Google Play. For now, open the app, it show the hello world. Okay, so when we get the variable in here, as you saw that the application we executed show the result text hello world from this text view. But when we change the text from backend, such as we can change it like and remember one thing, that if we need to change anything and get the elements of any XML element, we need to do it inside the onCreate function like that. So first, let's suppose we create the variable inside text view equal to so we will put find view by ID, and we will give it a element name which is a text view. So put text view, and here we will put the braces in which we mention r dot id dot. Now we will mention the id name which we given here, greeting. Remember that after the slash we can give any id name. So main activity dot Kotlin in the process of getting element will understand what we have given this name. So put here greeting. Okay, now we have a proper structure of text view in the backend, and we can adjust its value in here. So in the onCreate method we get the element through the user interface. Now we will change its value from hello world to hello world from code with Usman, like that. So text view, our variable is dot text equal to what we change the value, we will change the value of greeting into the user. So put it here greeting. Okay, so run the code and we will get the changes we made. It gives the error, and it gives what error it gives. Yes, it gives the error. It says that we need to, oh sorry, I put one thing outside the, so we are working on text view inside the onCreate method, so it didn't understand what we have did in here. So we will put all of our variable and its modification also into the onCreate method. So put it here this line, and it will work absolutely. Let it run. Now it's asked for text view. So error we facing due to import because we are working in CodeAssist, so it doesn't suppose a specific Android native component. So we will put a little line of import android dot widget dot text view, because sometimes CodeAssist doesn't understand the native components of it. So we will have to put the import line to understand our application that a proper structure of activity main XML element. So after this it will work. Let's see, it still give element. I capitalize it, so now it's work. It gives us a package.installer update. Now we will get install the application. It will ask for the password because it is not verified from the Google Play Store. So open the app. Hello. So we get hello world from Code with Usman. So take care. Allah. Take care. Goodbye. We will meet on to the next video.